Yes. Next, start the problem. Same topic problems. Bilinear transform. Continue the same topic problems. Bilinear transformation problems. Next problem. Problem number 3. Problem number 3. Find the bilinear transformation. The points. Find the bilinear transformation that transforms the points z equals the points z1 equals 1, z2 equals I, z3 equals -1 on to the points w1 equals 2, w2 is equal to I, w3 is equal to -2. Find the invariant or critical points of the transformation. This is the problem. Now next to solve the problem. Solution. Let z1 equals 1, z2 equals I, z3 is equal to -1 and w1 equals 2, w2 equals I, w3 equals -2. Next, the bilinear transformation of the equation is given by. Next, the bilinear transformation of the equation is given by w minus w1. This is same w2 minus w3. Denominator w minus w3, w2 minus w1. Next to z plane, z minus z1, z2 minus z3. Denominator z minus z3, z2 minus z1. This is required by linear transformation. Next, just you substitute. We know that z1, z2, z3 and w1, w2, w3. Just you substitute in this equation. W minus, what is w1 is 2, w2 is I minus w3 minus w3 means minus into minus plus 2. Denominator w minus w3 plus 2 here. Next, w2 means I minus w3 minus into minus. Next, w2 is I minus w1 is I minus 2. Carefully substitute these points. Z minus z1 is 1, z2 means I plus 1. Similarly, in the denominator z plus 1. Here this is minus into minus plus 1. Next, Z2 is what? I minus Z1, I minus 1. This is the substitution. Further, on simplifying this, W minus 2 divided by W plus 2, here Z minus 1 divided by Z plus 1. In this, I plus 1 divided by I minus 1. Here cross multiplication, here I minus 2 divided by I plus 2. Here simplify this, Z minus 1, Z plus 1. Here product of these functions multiplied by each term. I into I square minus 2I plus I plus into minus 2. This is minus 2. Next further in the denominator, I into I square plus 2I minus I minus into plus minus 2. Yes. Similarly, W minus 2, W plus 2 equals Z minus 1, Z plus 1 into, here, what is I squared? We know that in the complex number, I squared is minus 1. I squared is minus 1, minus 2I plus I, minus I, minus 2. Carefully simplify this. I squared is here also minus 1, 2I minus I, plus I, minus 2. Further simplify this, minus I, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Here plus I, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Here further you take W minus 2 divided by W plus 2 equals, take minus as common, there is no problem. Here in this Z minus 1, Z plus 1 into, take minus means minus 1 I plus 3 minus I minus 3. Here also minus 1, 3 minus I minus 3 minus into minus plus I. This get cancelled. Further, this is Z minus 1, Z plus 1 into 3 plus I, because both are positive, divided by 3 minus I. This is we denote as P. This concept completely, we say that this is P. For time being, we denote this concept is P. Whole concept is, therefore W minus 2, W plus 2 is equal to this P. Right? Next, cross multiplication means W minus 2 is equal to P into W plus 2. Right? Here WP plus 2P. Here W, you bringing the left hand side minus WP. Here also 2P, you bringing the right hand side minus becomes plus 2. right? What is common? Here W is common. 1 minus P equals 2 P plus 1. Here, here, substitute. Now further, W 1 minus what is P? Substitute this concept. P means Z minus 1 divided by Z plus 1 into 3 plus I divided by 3 minus 5, right? This is P. Similarly, 2 times. Here also you substitute P means Z minus 1 divided by Z plus 1 into S into this 3 plus I divided by 3 minus y. Here this plus 1. Next further simplify this. Very important problem. 100% this question asked in the examination and test. And here cross multiplication means in the denominator take this Z plus 1 3 minus I means here also Z plus 1, right? 3 minus I minus Z minus 1 3 plus I. Here also 2. In the denominator you write down Z plus 1 3 minus I. Here also Z minus 1 3 plus I plus this cross multiply this Z plus 1 3 minus I. Yeah. Next to simplify this W. Here denominator this get cancelled, right? Both side denominator get cancelled. Simplify this product of these two functions means 3z minus iz plus 3 minus I, right? This is one group terms. Here this minus 3z I plus iz minus 3 minus I, right? Equals here this term take this these terms. Here also 3z plus iz minus 3 minus I plus here also 3z minus iz plus 3 minus I. Next here just here this is plus 3z minus 3z get cancelled, right? And next further minus iz minus into plus minus 2iz, right? This term is over. Next plus 3 minus into minus plus 3 plus 6, right? Plus 3 minus into minus 6, this is also over. Next minus I minus into minus plus I get cancel, right? Here also 3z plus 3z 6z, right? Here also plus iz minus iz get cancelled. Minus 3 plus 3 get cancelled. Here minus I minus 2 times I, right? Yeah, this is the next W equals this 6z minus 2I, right? Here because now yes, you take 2 as common, no problem, right? 2 minus iz plus 3, yes, this 2 to get cancelled. Therefore, the required 6z minus 2I divided by minus iz plus 3 is this is the required BLT. This is the required BLT. Yes, this is the required BLT. Next, further, and another sub question is find the invariant points or find the critical points and also find the invariant points. Or critical points. Here replace W by Z. Right, here take this. This is take W is Z 6Z minus 2I minus IZ plus 3. Here also same as it is cross multiplication. Minus I Z square plus 3Z. Here minus 6Z plus 2I is equal to 0. Multiplied by the negative sign, right? Means IZ square minus 3Z plus 6Z minus 2I is equal to 0. Here IZ squared, this is what? Plus 6 minus 3, 3Z minus 2I is equal to 0. Here, first of all, observe this, whether it is factorized or not. This is not factorized. This is quadratic equation using the formula means what? Z is equal to minus B plus or minus B squared minus 4AC divided by 2A, right? So, further, Z is equal to, what is B is minus 3, right? Plus or minus B squared is what? 3 squared is what? 9 minus 4 into A is what? I, right? A is I. What is C is what? Minus 2I, right? Divide by 2 into A is I. Therefore, Z is equal to minus 3 plus or minus 9. Here minus into minus plus, right? I into I is what? I squared is minus 1. 4 into 2 is 8. This minus into minus plus 4 into 2 is 8. I squared is minus 8. Right? This is 2I. Understand? Therefore, Z is equal to minus 3 plus or minus, this is 9 square root of 9 minus this is 1, right? Divided by 2i. Square root of 1 is 1, 2i. Further, z equals minus 3 plus 1 divided by 2i equals, right? Minus 3, this is what? Minus 2, right? This is what? Minus 1 by I. Here, in the complex number, operation of the complex number, you know that whenever this is division form, rationalize means what? Minus I, right? Multiply and divide by minus I. Therefore, minus into minus plus I. Here, I into I squared is minus 1, minus into minus 1, right? This is answer is I. And another one equals minus 3 minus 1 divided by 2i. This is what? Minus 4 divided by 2i. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. Minus 2 divided by I. This is also same. Rationalize. Multiply and divide by minus I in the denominator. Minus into minus plus 2i. I into I is I squared is minus into minus 1 plus this is 2i. The invariant points. The invariant points are I comma to I. This is the invariant point. This is very very important problem. Please concentrate on this problem. This completes the problem. Next, you take another one problem. Find the bilinear